Today I'm in County Mayo in Ireland, on the west coast of Ireland. I'm in an old abbey called Moyne Abbey. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. So we thought we'd come here to the ruins to see if we could get some good photographs in regards to maybe black and white because of the old architecture. But we'll see, we'll have a look. Later I found out that I was mispronouncing the name. It's Moyne Abbey. Moyne Abbey is located just north of the town of Ballina in County Mayo in Ireland. It is the ruins of a Franciscan friary that was built in 1462, and it consisted of a church, domestic buildings, all situated around a central cloister. The ruins are dominated by a tall bell tower that you'll be able to see in some of the video. In 1590, the abbey was burnt and destroyed by Sir Richard Bingham, who was one of Elizabeth I's governors. I set off to explore the abbey and to hopefully find a good composition for a photograph. The ruins of the abbey were much bigger than I thought. It felt like a maze. Every turn I took there was a new arched doorway that took me to a different section of the building with more nooks and crannies to explore. I came to the central cloister of the abbey, and I thought the columns and the arches were very interesting and might make a good composition for some photographs. So I got my tripod and my camera out and I set up to take some photographs. What I was trying to do here was take a picture of the columns through the open arched doorway, but I just couldn't get the composition right. The outside wall was just a bit too bright. So I looked around for a better composition. So I went through the doorway and I found that the hallway without columns was much better. So I set the camera up and then I took this picture. Well, if you enjoy these videos, subscribe. If you want to leave some comments, leave them below. So that's the end of this video from the old abbey here in County Mayo. So until next time, I'll see you later.